Dear students, today's topic is a sunstroke or heat stroke. Heat stroke generally occurs when an individual has been too hot for too long, whether working, exercising, or simply sitting in a hot environment, also known as sunstroke or heat stroke. Heat exhaustion and a heat stroke. Heat exhaustion is not usually serious if you can cool down within 30 minutes. If it turns into a sunstroke, it needs to be treated as an emergency. Check for signs of a heat exhaustion. The sign of a heat exhaustion includes a headache, dizziness and a confusion, loss of appetite and feeling sick, excessive sweating and a pale, clammy skin, cramps in the arms, legs, and stomach, fast breathing or pulse, temperature of 38 degrees Celsius or above, being very thirsty. The symptoms are often the same in the adults and children, although children may become a floppy and a sleepy. If someone is showing sign of a heat exhaustion, then they need to be cooled down. Things you can do to cool someone down. If someone has a heat exhaustion, follow these 4 steps. First, move them to cool place. Second, get them to lie down and raise their feet slightly. Third, get them to drink plenty of water. Sports or rehydration drinks are okay. Fourth, cool their skin. Spray or sponge them with cold water and fan them. Cold packs around the armpit or neck are good too. Stay with them until they are better. They should start to cool down and feel better within 30 minutes. Call 999 if you or someone else have signs of a heat stroke. Feeling unwell after 30 minutes of resting in a cool place and drinking plenty of water. Not sweating, even though too hot. A temperature of 40 degrees Celsius or above. Fast breathing or shortness of breath. Feeling confused. A fit. A loss of consciousness. Not responsive. Heat stroke can be very serious if not treated quickly. Put the person in the recovery position if they lose consciousness while you are waiting for help. Preventing heat exhaustion and a heat stroke. There is a high risk of a heat exhaustion or heat stroke during a hot weather or exercise. To help prevent heat exhaustion or a heat stroke, drink plenty of cold drinks, especially when exercising. Take a cool baths or showers. Wear light colored, loose clothing. Sprinkle water over a skin or cloths. Avoid the sun between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Avoid excess alcohol. Avoid extreme exercise. This will also prevent dehydration and help your body keep itself cool. Find out how to spot dehydration. Keep an eye on children, the elderly, and people with long-term health conditions like diabetes or heart problems, because they are more at risk of heat exhaustion or heat stroke.